An open-source AI model just destroyed Claude Opus 4.6 on its own turf, and nobody is talking about it. What's going on, everybody? It's Mike from AI Forge. Today we're putting GLM-5, the brand new open-source model from Zhipu AI, head-to-head against Claude Opus 4.6 thinking, arguably the best coding model on the planet right now. We're on a live arena, side by side, same prompt, no edits, no cherry picking. Let's see who wins. Design an order tracking page with status timeline, shipping details, and order summary. All right, the first prompt is design an order tracking page with a status timeline, shipping details, and order summary. Pretty standard front-end challenge. Let's see what each model brings to the table. Both models are cooking right now. Claude is generating fast. Let's see what it comes up with first. Okay. Claude Opus 4.6. This is clean. We've got a beautiful purple gradient header, a status timeline with check marks, package details, shipping information. This is honestly a really polished UI straight out of the box. If you showed this to a client, they'd be impressed. Now let's look at GLM-5's output. And wait, hold on. It didn't just build a tracking page. It built a full TrackMyOrder application. We've got a live tracking MAP, an actual interactive map showing the package location. And look, there's a download invoice button, quick action buttons. GLM-5 went above and beyond the prompt. Claude built exactly what you asked for. GLM-5 built what you needed. That's the difference between a good model and a great model. Okay, let's make the functions work when I click or if I want to put in a shipping number. But we're not done. Let's push these models further. I'm going to ask both of them to make the buttons actually functional. Let me click things, let me type in a shipping number and have it work. Because here's the thing, any model can generate pretty HTML. The question is, can it build something that actually works? Now, before we even see those results, let me show you something that literally blew my mind. I went to the GLM-5 research page to check the benchmarks, and y'all, the receipts are insane. Look at this, CC-bench v2. Front-end build success rate, GLM-5 hits 98%. Claude Opus 4.5, 93%. That's not a rounding error. That's a 5-point gap in production code quality. SWE, bench verified, GLM-5 77.8, Claude 80.9. Okay, Claude still has the edge there, but look at multi-step chain tasks. GLM-5 wins with 52.3 versus Claude's 42%. That's a 10-point lead on complex multi-step reasoning. And here's the kicker, vending bench 2. This benchmark makes the model run a simulated vending machine business for an entire year. GLM-5 finished with $4,432 in the bank. It ranked number 1 among all open source models on long-term operational capability. Let that sink in. An open source model is going toe-to-toe with the most expensive proprietary models on the planet. And when you zoom into the full benchmark table, reasoning, humanities last exam, GLM-5 scores 30.5, beating DeepSeek, beating Kimi. AI-Me 2026, 92.7. Coding, Terminal Bench 2.0 with Terminus, GLM-5 hits 56.2, and on BrowseComp, the browser agent benchmark, 62 flat. That's 25 points higher than Claude Opus 4.5's 37. These aren't marginal improvements, this is a paradigm shift. Now let me show you where this gets really crazy. GLM-5 powers Z.ai. Their official platform, and it has an agent mode, not just chat, not just code, an actual AI agent that searches the web, finds images, and builds real deliverables. I'm going to type one sentence, build AI slides about AI 2026 and what's coming. One sentence. Let's see what happens. Watch this. GLM-5 is now thinking about the request. It's searching the web for AI trends and predictions. It's finding images for quantum computing, robotics, human-AI collaboration. This is not copy-paste. It's doing its own research. Now it's initializing the design, creating the cover page, and look at this. It's building the slides one by one. Cover page done. Page 2 about the evolution of AI done. Now page 3 about agentic AI and super agents. And here is the output. Look at this cover slide. AI 2026. What's coming? Dark purple theme, neon green accents, a rocket icon, categories for agents, robotics, and quantum. This looks professional. This looks like something a design team spent hours on. Page 2. The evolution of AI. From tool to partner. From instrument to collaborator. Beyond questions to true collaboration. And my favorite quote on the slide, the future belongs to those who work alongside AI, not those who compete with it. Page 3. Agentic AI and super agents. 40% of enterprise apps will integrate AI agents, 30% faster task completion. And look at this layout. It automatically included relevant stats, icons, and a full visual hierarchy. And page 4, quantum computing meets AI, drug development, material science, optimization challenges with real data points and stunning visuals. All 8 slides, generated from one sentence. So let me ask you this. If an open source model can beat Claude Opus on front-end builds, match it on coding benchmarks, crush it on multi-step reasoning, generate professional documents, and build entire slide presentations from a single sentence, then what exactly are you paying for? GLM-5 is free, it's open, and it's here. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, and drop a comment. Have you tried GLM-5 yet? I want to hear what you think. The tools are changing every single week. If you are still using the same workflow you used last month, you are already behind. Inside the AI Money Forge, I just dropped the full tutorial on how to access GLM-5 and set up Z.ai. We are building the agencies of the future in here. We have the blueprints, the workflows, and the community. Stop watching from the sidelines, click the link, join the Forge, let's build something insane. This is Mike from AI Forge. Stay building. I'll see you in the next one.